Hey everyone, this is Teresa, and right now I just want to chat for a few moments on something that is near and dear to my heart. Most of you know that I work with a specially designed whole life policy. It goes by different brands. It goes by Bank on Yourself and Infinite Banking Concept. Those are probably the more popular terms for the brand. And in the last month or so, I've noticed feedback that I'm getting from my clients and prospects, people that have been referred to us either through our marketing efforts or by other clients. And they're saying things regarding some information that's online, or some misinformation, I should say, that's online, that really needs your awareness. I don't want you to be confused. I want you to understand what these policies are designed to do, what they can and cannot do, what we can say these policies can and cannot do. We are licensed professionals, and when you have a license, you have to work with the guidelines of that license in order to maintain the license and keep the license. And there are certain words we can and cannot say. And there's a lot of misinformation out there because new advisors who have not been selling this concept for a very long time, or have just started to sell this concept because they're in the financial services world, and they've realized that what they were selling before has blown up, and so now they're looking for the next best thing, and they're selling this, and they don't know how to sell it. They don't know how to articulate it. They don't know how to design it. They don't know how to word or explain these properly. And so I don't want you to be confused, and I want you to have that awareness that there's a lot of misinformation out there, and what you understand, us and our explanations and our analogies, we stand by it. We know it's correct. We've been doing this a very long time, since 2004 to be specific. And we do understand that it is not an easy concept necessarily to understand. We are muzzled, like literally muzzled, as to what words we can say. We try to say certain words in a client-friendly way, as if we were explaining it to a second grader. And so we will take at times we'll take liberty with those words and then explain what we're, from a compliance perspective, what we can say and what we can't say. And gosh, I wish it were a lot easier to explain. I wish I could use just plain English to explain what we do, because it's so amazing. And right now, as the economy is burning, Wall Street's burning, people's investments, their livelihoods, like there's so much pain right now from a financial perspective. I wish there was an easier way to communicate what we do so we could have saved more people, so to speak, right? Because the feedback we're getting from our clients is, thank God that they did what they did when they did what they did. And their only regret is not having done more sooner, earlier, right? So I am also taking this opportunity to announce, we have doubled down. We are more committed than ever to share the power of what we do and transform people's lives. In fact, I'm going to use a term, it's called catalyzing statement, which is very similar to like a corporate purpose. But our catalyzing statement is to transform people's finances with this whole life policy. And may every American have one of these policies. Because I believe if every single American had one of these policies, from a financial perspective, they would have a lot more peace than what they're struggling with right now. So that's it. That's all I had to say. If you've got any questions, thoughts, concerns, or just want to have a chat with one of our advisors, please reach out to us. And as always, it's been an honor to take a few minutes of your time and spending it with me today. Be well, be safe, be prayerful, and be prepared.